How to fit your DenTek Professional Fit Dental Guard. This video will show you how quick and easy it is to get a professional fit in just a few simple steps. First, read all the instructions and warnings and watch the full video before you begin to fit your guard. The preferred method is to use a stove and a pot of water. If you don't have that, a microwave and a microwavable bowl works too. In either case, you'll also need a metal fork, a mirror, and a timer. To begin, make sure to place the dental guard correctly into the fitting tray. The guard is positioned correctly when the top of the dental guard is concave, as indicated by the red lines on the screen. Using a pot on a stove or microwavable bowl in a microwave, heat at least 1.5 inches of water. Make sure to achieve a rolling boil. Carefully remove your pot or bowl from the heat and place safely on a flat surface. Let rest for 10 seconds. Place the guard and forming tray face down in the hot water for 45 seconds. Remove the tray with a metal fork. Quickly rinse under cool tap water for 1 second. Immediately pick up the guard by the handle on the forming tray and place it into your mouth. Do not bite down. While looking in a mirror, center the dental guard below your 2 front teeth and the sides below your molars. Bite down firmly into the guard. Relax your bite, but keep the guard in place for at least 2 minutes while the material hardens. Gently remove the guard and tray from your mouth and rinse under cool water for at least 20 seconds. Finally, remove the dental guard from the fitting tray. Start by gently pulling the ends from each side of the fitting tray, then work around to the front. Make sure your guard fits correctly. If it doesn't for any reason, repeat this process beginning at step 1. Now your professional fit guard is ready to use. Enjoy a restful night's sleep with exceptional comfort and protection. That's the DenTek difference.